My name is Olatunde Michael of Om3ga Bio-Edutainment Hub. This is another opportunity once again to further our lecture educational series. Today we are coming on a revision note of microbial evolution. Yeah, this is just a kind of review into most of our past videos. Our subscribers will know that we have dropped a lot of videos concerning on the our educational series, which is that of microbiology, microbial evolution. I will want to, just like we have it on the screen now, I prefer to first stay behind the camera, then when the need arises, I will actually come forth. When we talk of microbial evolution, don't forget that we are actually interested in microbial evolution and ecology. So it's just on the same point. And I told you that the ecological system or the habitat where an organism resides will go a long way in determining the genetic makeup as well as what is going to be the evolution. And just like I said, we actually started this course on a note of the RNA world. Don't forget that what RNA is actually made of and its function. Scientists also believe that our heart is as old as around 3.5 to 4.6 billion, and that what actually started in the formation of the heart was a heart cross. So it was the heart cross that actually started that. So having said that, the belief was that the heart was made up of nitrogen, methane, as well as ammonia. So you need to know that. And that one other thing that is very, very important is the theory of endosymbiosis. Just from the meaning of that word, endo means internal, and symbiosis means endo means internal, and symbiosis means a mutualistic agreement or between two organisms. So the theory of endosymbiosis believes that the organelle that you have in eukaryotics today, all those organelle that serve independent functions like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, they have sometimes existed as a cell, as a primary result of the cell wanting to go on the theory, go on the idea that each cell will actually want to be independent. That was when there was a kind of endosymbiotic relationship between them, that the bigger one now swallow the smaller one, and that is the school of thought that we still have up to today, that the eukarya must have arisen from the prokaryotic counterpart. And the evidence they use in supporting that is that you will see that mitochondria and chloroplast have almost the same structure, the same chemical composition, as well as a prokaryotic cell. And that is the reason why the theory of endosymbiosis is still being held till today. So then the next thing we also look at is diversity. Diversity, which actually means diverse word, which actually means diverse word. That is, in a given ecosystem, you have opportunity to see different types of organism in different composition, different species, and all of microorganisms which are genetically similar, but all of microorganisms which are genetically similar, but ecologically they are from different or distinct group. So that is ecotype. And the next one is taxonomy, from the word that is the science of grouping, the science of grouping microorganisms or any organisms into their various taxa. And the systematics is just a practice of science that will actually recognize identification and assigning names to microorganisms. Then we also mentioned names to microorganisms. Then we also mentioned about G plus C content, which is actually talking about the composition of guanine, cytosine, as we have it in the some cytosine, as we have it in the some microorganism, and the percentage really go a long way in classifying them based on their G plus C content. And we have some